Hi, this is Justin with Family Graphics, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial video on installing one of our small rear window decals. With our small rear window decals, they have a clear transfer tape on them. These are dry application only. Our larger decals will have a paper transfer tape. This allows for application fluid to wick through the paper. So if you have clear transfer tape, your decal is dry application only. First thing we want to do is make sure our window is clean. We can use window cleaner, rubbing alcohol. It really doesn't matter. You just want to make sure your window's clean, and then let it evaporate off of the window. Next step, we want to put tape in the corners of our decal. This is going to hold it in place. Once we get it where we want it, we're going to put another piece of tape right in the center. Now, we want to take a squeegee or your credit card or driver's license, and we're just going to rub down on the face of this decal. And this is going to help the decal stick to the transfer tape. Our next step is to remove the backing paper. So the decal is 3 layers. You have this front layer, this clear, this is the transfer tape. Then we have our white, this is our actual decal. And then this blue layer, or white layer, is our backing paper. So we need to remove the backing paper. What you don't want to do is pull on the transfer tape to remove the decal and transfer tape from the backing paper. Because you can see here what happened. The decal stayed stuck to the backing paper, and we don't want that. So we're going to rub that back down. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip our decal up, and now we're going to pull on the backing paper to remove it. Once we have our backing paper off, we're going to slowly let our decal down, and we don't want it to touch the window yet. So I'm holding it out, and I'm letting it lay naturally so there's not a lot of wrinkles in it. I'm going to take my squeegee or my credit card or driver's license and just go right down the middle. Once I've gone down the middle, I'm going to go from the middle and I'm going to work out on both sides of the decal. And I'm not pressing hard. I'm just getting it to lay down right now. Once I have the decal laid down like I want it, now I'm going to press a little bit. I want to make sure it's stuck to that window really good. Now we need to remove the transfer tape. This process is very similar to removing the backing paper. We don't want to pull this out away from the window. If we pull straight out, it might take the decal off the window. We don't want that. So all we need to do is, I have this stuck to my thumb. I'm going to lay my thumb right on the window, and I'm going to roll it from this corner to this corner, working it as I go. Now if I start to notice something lift up off the window, all I'll do is rub it back down and try again. Now if you do end up with any small air bubbles, you can press them out, or you can just poke them with a pin and they will fall out on their own. So hopefully this helps you with your decal installation. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.